Okay, so I'm quickly gonna explain how I'm gonna do this part because the first time I cut the elastic it was way too short. So this one is, I believe, 9 centimeters including seam allowance. So I cut one that's about 12, I believe. No, 13 centimeters. So just to help me run it through the entire skirt, and once I do that, I am going to tug 3 centimeters out, clip, and then just, you know, like sew down the elastic together just to seal it off and to like have a complete connection between the two ends, sew them together, just to make it a lot easier to thread the elastic through the casing, because it's way too much right now. I'm on my like third attempt. And then we start to hem the skirt. Okay, so since this elastic is like very thin, I'm gonna have to thread it by hand, and it's just very simple. Overlap it, and you have to make sure it's really stable, like your stitches. We do not want this to come apart once we seal the casing, because then the whole skirt will just fall apart. And you'll have to reopen it, and it just won't be fun. So I'm using black thread to show you guys how I'm doing it. Back stitches in a way, kinda, but at the same time they grab the casing, they go over around the edges, it's not just the inside. And then just one more there. Here's the back side. And I'm just gonna move that, and then just do that. Now, for the casing, you're gonna have to kind of tie all the gathers to one side, just to make it a little easier. And you're gonna have to tug on it like this while it's like under the presser foot. Oh, I'll show you. Just to make sure the elastic doesn't gather, there's no gathers getting in the way. Okay. Go ahead and do that. threads that you have left over from the sewing. There you go. That's basically how we did it. We just stitched a little, most of it, and I'll keep it encased in there. So this is the skirt so far, the top, and we gotta work on this hem. But look at these gathers. So pretty, right? Now we got to work on this. Alright, as you can see, I sewed it all around once with like a half a centimeter, I guess. Is that correct? I don't know. Actually, it's like basically a centimeter. But that's not enough. I think I'm gonna hem it one more time, simply by just folding it over, just following it again, and we'll be all done. Alright, so it's on the machine, and it's gonna fold it, and it's gonna sew over. All done. Let's try it on. Oh, and here's Jade. She's ready to try on her new skirt. She's wearing her new boots. I'll card her unboxing of these boots right here in the video, up top, around here. Her eyes are out. Okay, so taking off her skirt now. She's wearing her smart doll undies, sport undies, and I'm gonna lay her down for a bit. It's a little struggle to get it on, but you know the fit will be good. So, here we have it. The final look. Here's a gathered skirt. Gathered circle skirt. So, final look. Thanks for sticking around and watching and being here. We appreciate it. Don't forget to leave a like, comment what you'd like to see differently, anything you'd like to see me do. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. See ya.